Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to use the website Storybird. On Storybird, we have a couple of different choices of what to do. You can read, you cover up here, it drops down a menu. You can read, you can write or create a story, and as you do these, you will get badges for the different tasks you complete. So I'm first going to start by showing you what the different reading choices are. So if you click on this read, it takes us to the reading page. And I am going to go down here. We're going to go find this area where it says age, and we're going to click on kid 6+. So click on that. You can go down, and these are all different choices. Now, some of them might be kind of more difficult, so you're going to have to look through and find a story that is at your own reading level. So, let's see, I found one here earlier. Okay, let's go to this one. Not So Messy, Maxine. It's a story of a hedgehog. So here it is. This is our book. You can think of this as the front cover of the book. And instead of it being a soft cover or a hard cover, it is a digital cover. So my mouse has now turned into this circle with an arrow in it. So I'm going to click on this side to turn the page. And I'm going to read. Messy Maxine had a hard time being clean. Her room was the messiest that I've ever seen. Scattered across her bedroom floor were toy socks and underwear galore. Okay, and when I'm done, I'm gonna move my cursor, my mouse, into the right side of the page to turn the page yet again. This also gives us the option to enter into a full screen. So if you click the circle with the 4 arrows, you can click it and it becomes full screen. To get out of full screen, you're actually going to need to press a button on your keyboard that says ESC. That stands for escape. Okay, so that's one thing you can do on this website. I'm going to go back up and I'm going to go to write now. And when I'm looking at write, it gives me several options. It says I can write a picture book, a long form story, comics, flash fiction, and poetry. So I'm going to show you how to do picture book. So since it's Halloween's coming up, I searched in my little toolbar Halloween, the word Halloween. So it came up with some different pictures that I can use or illustrations I can use for my story. And I thought these were kind of little monsters, were kind of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on one of the pictures. And it pops up. Here's my cover. And this says add a title. So in here I can type. I'm going to have to type on my keyboard though. So pumpkin hero. Pumpkin boy saves the day. Now you can always go back later and fix it. But right now we're not editing, we're just practicing writing a story. To get out of this and to save it, you're going to go click this big blue button, save and exit. There it is. Now, if you want to go back to it, you can go up here and click U. And it's going to show me my stuff. So if I find under my writing, I can see Pumpkin Boy Saves the Day. And I also have the book that I just read. So yeah, that's just a little snapshot of how to use Storybird, the website.